What are you doing with this fool in my house?
Father, that's a gun you're having. You're holding a gun. Dad, just bring it out, please.
So this has been going on in my house without my knowledge. You think I will allow you to define my house?
No, Dad, no. Okay, look, we've been together for a while now. He loves me. I love him too. We are dating.
Then he loves you.
Please, please, no, Dad. No.
You think I will allow you? I won't spare you.
Father, you have a gun.
Now listen. I won't spare you.
No.
I won't spare you.
Father, what have you done? Stay! Father, what have you done? You killed him! You killed my man! Stay!
Chief. Chief, I need 500k. Yes. My rent is about to expire and I need to renew it. Just 500,000.
Godwin, are you out of your mind? Has it been long I gave you 15 million naira? You invested in your business. You've not given me details of how you spend it, and here you are demanding another 500,000.
Oh, Chief! How much is 15 million naira? Oh, you give me 15 million naira. So what? How much is it? I am your only brother. Since our parent died, you've been a father figure in my life. So what if you give me 15 million naira? My brother is a billionaire. 15 million naira is nothing compared to what you're worth. I'm only asking for 500k. And my 500k just to sort my rent out. My landlord is on my neck, Chief. I'm not leaving this place. If you don't give me that 500,000 naira, I won't leave this place.
You know what? You are an ingrate. Huh? You are a beast. A nincompoop. A fool. Do you know what 15 million naira is in today's economy? Godwin.
Chief.
Get out of my house. Hmm? You had me right. I said get out.
By the way.
That's the gate. Leave my house. Now.
By the way, you're asking me, your only brother, to leave your house. Like, you want me to leave your house?
Godwin, you heard me right. If you don't leave, I will have you thrown out.
Dude, you're very wicked! You're a very wicked man. Listen, I'm not leaving this place until you give me the 500k. Yes! You must give me the 500,000 I asked for. How can I have a billionaire brother like yourself and yes, a mere 500,000 naira you can't give to me? Okay, who cares about the 15 million naira you gave to me some years back? Should I depend on that for the rest of my life? I need 500k, Chief. I can't go back home without that money. My landlord is on my neck and I need it.
You are threatening me. You are threatening me. Security! Hey, this last boy.
Chief, you regret this. By the way, you will regret this! Just watch and see. You are going to regret everything you've been doing to me. I'm a billionaire as a brother now. I'll be liking the 500,000.
Godwin, listen. If you don't account for that 15 million naira, every details of the expense on what you invested in that business, you spend the rest of your life in jail. Idiot.
We'll see.
Hello there.
Hello? Can you imagine that old fool I call another brother? He did not only chase me out of his house, he said I shouldn't come anywhere around him, all because I demanded for 500k. Yes. He will not abandon me like that, oh. I will teach him a lesson he will never forget in a hurry. He must give me any amount of request from him must be given to me. Yes. He asked me to leave this house. He even called me a nincompoop, an idiot. He called me all sorts of names. You know what? I'll call you back later, okay? Let me sort this issue out first, okay? I'll call you back. Rubbish.
Back on the line. I am yet to receive. I'm yet to confirm the payment of 100 million naira. My friend, don't tell me, don't give me shit. What do you mean? Help! Please. Whatever you want, I'll give you. Don't kill me. Spare my life. I'll give you money. I have money here, please. Ah!
Jesus. Thank God it's a dream. It's just a dream. Nothing will happen to my father. I bind it, I rebuke it in Jesus' name. Nothing will happen to him. I reject it. I send back the spirit of death back to its owner and back to hell. Never.
Yes. How was the night?
It was fine, Dad. Dad, I had a really bad dream last night. Someone shot you in the dream and it was so real.
Well, it's just a dream. Dreams are mere fantasies, you know?
Dad, this was more than a dream.
I know.
I woke up really scared. It was real.
It shouldn't be. You see, dreams just documentation of pictorial.
Daddy, it's not that. But we still have to pray about it.
There is no problem. I'll pray, but nothing will happen to me.
I know, but then we have to be careful still.
Definitely, we have to be careful and security conscious. Come in.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
There is a young man outside. He said he's here to see you, sir.
Young man?
Oh, that should be the electrician.
Oh, take him downstairs to the sitting room. Tell him to wait for me.
Okay, sir. Dad, I have to go prepare for work.
That's all right. You just be careful.
You should be more careful.
I sure. Don't bother yourself.
I'll see you later.
That's all right. Dreams? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is that how you people behave here? Anybody that comes, you give the person bottled water.
Yes. Manage it.
I should manage bottled water.
No.
Please, I hope there's extra room. Thank you very much, don't mind me.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Good morning. Young man, how are you? Sit down. Are you the electrician from Zenco Engineering? Yes, sir. Good. Well, I have some electrical malfunction in this house, and Justice told me that he has a professional. Because all the electricians who brought in here, none of them could fix it. But he assured me he has someone who is a professional. Are you the one, or do I expect another?
As a matter of fact, sir, I am a professional when it comes to electrical works. And I've been with that company for many years now. Yes, trust me, we won't disappoint you. In fact, my friends call me lighter because anywhere I go, I connect people's light.
That's all right. Oh, well. In that case, let me take you around. Yes.
Can I bring my water?
Oh, no, not at all. You don't need it. You have a lot.
Oh, you must be the electrician.
Yes. Sorry if I scared you. I was just trying to trace the fault.
Have you found the fault yet?
So I need to visit all the rooms, including the toilets, before finding the fault.
My daughter, you are here.
Yeah, I was trying to find out if he has found the fault yet, but it looks like he's still to find it.
Later you take him to your room so that you fix the rest of the faults there.
Maybe you should come now because I'm running late for work.
Okay.
Alright, this way.
All right.
With you and my father, because you're acting really strange.
Ask your father when you see him.
Wait, did my father do something wrong? I don't know, I'm confused.
Listen, Ella. When you get home, you ask your father, okay? Huh? Your father thinks he can render me useless in this town, huh? Huh? Listen, I will not allow your father render me useless in this town. It's not possible. Oman,
I only asked you how you're doing and you kept quiet. The next thing you're shouting. What's causing this?
What has your father done for me? Eh? What has that elder brother of mine done for me? That I will not do if I'm in his position, eh? Now listen, if you get home, tell him that if God put me in his position, I'll do more better than him. Yes.
My father has been of help to you in several ways. He has given you money, he's assisting you. So why are you complaining?
You see the talk. How much your father don't give me? They run your mouth like tap. Go and tell your father if I'm in his position, I'll do more better than him.
You don't have to shout, we're on the road, please. I don't know why you're always paranoid and angry. I only ask because I care.
When I have 500k, your father will give me. You're yet saying rubbish. Go and tell your father, if I'm in his position as a billionaire, I will do more better than him. Never I caught you.
Imagine one idiot I call my brother. Imagine him laying a curse on me. He even went further to tell my sister that I did nothing for him. Can you imagine that?
Chief, I would advise you tread softly with your brother. Yes. Keep him at arm's length. Such a person is dangerous, if you ask me.
No matter how dangerous he is, if he dares me, I'll lock him up.
That brings me to the point, Chief. That brings me to the point. I've advised you take another wife. Yes. You need a male child. It's over a decade since you lost your wife. Chief, you need a male child who will continue your legacy when you're no longer there.
Must you? Barrister, must you remind me of my late wife? Must you remind me of a very sad event that happened about 10 years ago, must you? Of what need is a male child when I have a daughter who is so resourceful, so hardworking, intelligent. She is capable of handling my factories and companies. See, all I'm praying for is for God to grant her a resourceful young man who will love her the same way I loved her mother. That's all.
Chief, you have said this countless times. You have said this so many times. But let it be as you have wished. My advice again. Keep your brother at arm's length.
Well, I will.
In that case, I'll prepare the documents, then bring them over to your house for your appendage.
That's all right. I'll do just fine.
It's okay.
I've told you to forget about this.
Are you going to be angry forever because of someone who is obviously enjoying himself in his house by now?
Baby, I cannot continue to suffer like this. When I have a rich, sophisticated brother who is a billionaire, the CEO of Mbadiwe Company Limited. Baby, check it now. What the wrong man? Listen, okay, fine. He gave me 50 million to start a business. And this business crumbled, which you are aware of. I couldn't do well in that business. That's not enough reason for my brother to abandon me now. No. My brother cannot abandon me in this town. No. It cannot happen. It cannot happen. You don't understand. You can't abandon me like this.
You bother yourself too much. This particular man we are talking about here does not have a male child. And you happen to be his only brother. You should be rejoicing.
How do you mean?
Does he have another brother?
He has a daughter, Ella.
Yes. He has a daughter. But this daughter is going to get married someday. And she will go and live in her husband's house. Or are you going to allow another man inherit your brother's wealth?
Babe, I didn't think of this.
Okay.
The place where I come from, women don't partake in sharing of properties. So, once he dies, his properties and everything he owns belongs to me.
Exactly.
Yes!
So stop bothering yourself.
The inevitable will happen. I will now become the CEO.
Exactly. Relax now.
I never thought of this, baby. You're such a genius. You're a she-devil.
How long do you think he still has to live on Earth?
Nobody lives forever. The inevitable will definitely happen.
Hey!
Hi.
Are you not the guy that came to fix the electrical issue we had in the house the other day? The electrician, it's you.
You know, due to the nature of my job, I see many faces all the time. So forgive me if I can't remember.
No, Chief's house. Chief Mbadiwe's house.
Oh, number 10.
Yes, that's the house.
Yes.
Long time.
Yes.
I'm glad to see you. You know, when I saw you coming, I knew it was you.
Yes, so it's
The
me.
uniform and the bag.
Yes.
Oh, so where are you headed?
I'm going to the number 34. Chief said I should come.
What?
Yes, now.
My father's office? That's where I'm going.
Are you serious?
Yeah, we could just go together. First, what's your name?
My name is Steve, but they call me Transformer.
Transformer.
Yes, because I bring light anywhere I go.
That's funny. It's cute though.
What's your name?
I'm Ella, Chief's daughter.
Wow. You're such a beauty.
Thank you.
You are as beautiful as your name.
So do you mind?
Come in, you're funny.
Dad? We were about saying something before Mercy came in. What was that?
Oh yeah, it's about Steve, the electrician.
Okay, what about him?
I placed him on salary.
Oh.
Steve, henceforth he will be both a company and a house electrician.
Alright, that's fine. But what about the people he works for? Are they going to let him?
Well, Steve is a smart young man. You can combine. He'll be here and there. He knows his onions.
I think he's cool. I think he's smart.
Yes, he is.
Dad, there's something else that I want to talk about with you too.
Go ahead.
I don't know, but I think you should just give Uncle what he's asking for. I mean, we all know you to be the mature one. We all know you to be the one that wants peace. Just give him what he's asking for. I don't want him harboring evil plans towards you.
Godwin is a fool. A nincompoop. Such an ingrate. Look, Godwin will never smell a dime from me again.
Father, you don't have to act stubborn all times. Okay, fine, he's a troublesome one. But what is he asking for? Just small money. It's 500,000 naira we're talking about. It's not something big. You have it. You can afford it. Why not give him and let peace reign?
Oh, well, he dare not try any evil on me.
You never can tell. He's very petty.
If he tries it, he'll be locked up and will never see the surface of his head again.
You know, sometimes I try to understand between you and him, who is actually more stubborn.
It's not a matter of being stubborn, it's about principle. Godwin lacks character. He's a big fool.
It's fine, Father.
An ingrate.
It's fine.
Scallywag. Nonsense.
Just eat, okay? Sorry. Eat. I don't know why Dad is proving to be stubborn. Just gave Uncle Godwin the money. It's small money. 500k. He wants to drag and drag and drag. Eh? Hey God. What if that dream comes to reality? What if Uncle Godwin tries to... No. I have to sort this whole thing my way.
Wait! Take your phone.
Like, I don't pick this call.
Come on.
Free this girl. Why is she calling me? After what her father did to me. Just drop the phone back, please.
Why don't you want to take it? Babe, just speak. Come on, go ahead. Take your phone.
Hello, Uncle Godwin. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. What do you want?
Uncle, look, I know you're not in good terms with my father. I know you're mad at him. But please, can you hear me out? I want to have this whole thing sorted out, please.
What do you want to sort out? Eh? After your stupid, stingy father insulted me, all because I asked him for a mere 500k. Go and see. What is 500k to your father? A billionaire for that matter. Please, I'm not.
Uncle, just calm down. Okay, look, I apologize on his behalf, okay? I know that sometimes my father can be a handful, but see what I'm going to do. I'm going to send you the money. Just forward your account details to my WhatsApp. I'll send the money to you.
You know what? If you want me to forgive your father for all the insults he rained on me, I'm no longer taking the 500k. It has to be 1 million.
What? 1 million? You asked for 500k. Why are you asking for 1 million now? What? Fine, it's fine. Just send your account number to me. I will send you the money.
Okay, I'll send my account details to you.
Uncle, wait, hold up, wait, just wait. If I send you this money, you have to promise me that you stay off my father and do not cause trouble. He's your brother. You guys are meant to fight, but then don't take it to the heart. It's nothing personal. You know, Dad is getting old and sometimes he has to nag. Alright, send it. Fine, thank you.
Dear billionaire, you must. You know what? Let me go ahead and send it to me. Yes. Before that girl changes her mind now.
Hurry.
Oh, wait now.
Or send mine now. Send my own account.
No, let me send you. It looks tricky.
Okay.
100%.
Oh, hi.
Hey.
See, you're here.
Yes, I came to see your father. Please help me thank him more. He just employed me. Your father gave me a job.
In this company?
Yes.
Wow. So you mean you work here now?
I now work here.
That's nice. So you now work in 2 companies?
Yes, so. Yes, so.
Steve. That's nice. I'm proud of you.
I'm so excited.
Come.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Thank you very
That's
much.
nice.
Thank you.
You're so hardworking.
Thank you.
I'm proud of you. I swear.
Thank you very much. Hey,
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
I'll see you around then.
All right. Thank you. Bye. Ciao, ciao.
Why do I feel like I have this soft spot for him? Eh? I feel so excited and happy whenever he's around. I smile more than I'm supposed to. Ella, you better remember who your father is. So you can't fall in love with this ordinary Ella.
Tony. Every day they say it's for the thief, but just one day for the owner of the house.
I know thief the money I borrowed.
Oh, boss, Wazico.
You cannot say I thief no money I borrowed.
For 2 years, 2 good years, I borrowed you money to take care of your sick mom. Eh? And you have money for me now, but finally, I caught you today. Where my money?
What are friends for? Are they run? Are you not aware? They are owing us now. They have not paid us 3 months salary. So where will I get money from? Eh? I told you, give me till month and I will pay. I just got a new job. By end of the month, they will pay us salary and I will pay you. Why are you shouting?
Me? No, shouting?
Carry my microphone, tell everybody I owe you.
Did you just say I'm shouting?
Before, because this is how to talk to people.
Is that all you have to say? Okay, you're joking. Give me my money. Yeah. Give me my money. Give me my 50,000.
Don't start what you can't finish. Are you mad?
Okay, give me my money. Give me my 50K.
See,
what is it?
Guy.
See, if you don't give me this money today, one like that, me and you go die here.
Now you go die here.
I say give me my money. What is it?
Guy.
What is it?
Be careful.
What? You go give me my money today.
See.
If you don't give me my money, we go die here.
See.
You go there, I'm gonna... See, bro. Wait, you don't want me? You don't want me?
What do you want? What do you want?
Madam, who are you?
No,
who are you?
What do you want?
You know him. Who invited you here?
You're very stupid. Are they wrong?
Okay, fine. Fine and good. I borrowed him money to use and take care of his sick mom. This is 2 years. 2 good years. He kept on running. Oh, what's up? Today I finally caught him.
Wait, because I'm only 50,000 naira, you're embarrassing me.
How much is the money?
Eh?
Just 50,000 naira.
It's 50.
Just 50K.
Just 50.
Wait, I'm coming. I'm
And you
bringing the
couldn't
money.
pay.
Hold on.
Is it not just?
You will give me this money today.
That I don't have money on me does not mean I'm poor.
You don't have it. Where is it? And you could not pay for 2 years.
That I don't have money does not mean I don't have money. I'm poor.
Okay, you will give me this money today. Nothing you want to tell me. Nothing.
Keep the balance.
You're very lucky. You should just thank her and be thankful to your God. If not, it isn't about gra.
Come on,
me and you will for die here today.
Now you go die
Don't
here.
give me you.
Now you go die here.
Don't worry.
Come for here.
Don't worry. What's up?
He's my friend though.
Rubbish. You don't love.
I'm sorry, please don't mind me. I've lost my appetite. I'm sorry.
Don't you think you were owing him for too long? You should have paid him. That was a serious fight.
I told him to exercise patience, that I will pay him by the end of the month. He refused. And me, I don't have that money.
What I'm saying is the fight. I'm not blaming you for not being able to pay his money. But then, indulging in that fight was too dangerous. What if something wrong would have happened? I don't know, but it's not good to fight like that.
I'm sorry, okay? It will never happen again. It was out of anger. I don't have the money and I told him, calm down. By month's end, from the salary your father will pay me, I will now sort him. But he wouldn't listen. I'm sorry about that.
So you're saying the other companies you work for have not paid you?
No, they're owing us for 3 months now. Everybody knows.
I'm really sorry. It's fine. Anyways, I'm happy that we paid him.
Thanks for coming to my rescue. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
It's okay. You don't have to fight.
I promise I won't fight again. Thank you once again.
You can fight though. You know how to fight.
Thank you.
So I'm headed somewhere. I don't know if when I'm coming back, maybe I should have your number.
Of course.
Because I might leave there really late. I wouldn't have time to, stop by. So just have your number.
Okay.
Sure.
All right. I'm expecting your call, though.
All right, sure. I'll call you.
Very much.
I'll call you.
Let's go.
All right. Bye.
Careful now, your feet. Oh my goodness. Wait. Jeez.
Don't play with myself, sir.
Baby, you need to help me.
You don't play with my tube, sir.
Oh my goodness.
You don't play with my tube, sir. Oh, man.
Baby, you're going to me.
You don't play with my tube, sir. Yeah. Don't play with my tube, sir. Yeah.
Dad, I'm sorry, I almost forgot your call.
I've been waiting for it.
Hello, Angie. I'll call you back, okay? Sure. Alright, Father, good night.
Ella.
Sir?
Let's not forget the electrician will be here tomorrow. So tell Messi to include him in the lunch.
Wait. What? Wait, what I mean is he's going to be having lunch with us?
Of course, sir. You have any problem with it?
No. Dad?
Are you alright?
That's really tough. Good night, Father.
Good night.
Hello? Yeah, ready. Yeah. Sorry, when you called, I was my father. Yeah. I had to call you before now, but I was so busy. How are you? You go home safe? Yeah, I went to work today. It was kind of hectic. I had a long day at work. You're fine? No, not bad. Just slight headache. But I have some painkillers. I took them. It's fine, you can call me whenever you want. Tomorrow morning? It's fine. Alright, good night. Alright, bye. I think it's nice. It's cool.
Be careful who you
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Merci.
Sir,
Where is the electrician?
he's still working, sir.
Get him here.
Father, do you like the food? It's good.
I'm here, Chief. Come on. Sit down.
No, this way. Yeah. You drop the bag.
That's your food.
Do you want help?
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Enjoy your meal.
No, I really don't know how to use a cutlery.
He's going to learn, Father. The knife, the fork. Just cut.
Enjoy your meal. Thank you, sir.
Do you like the food?
Yes.
Why are you laughing?
Please
I'm
tell me you're
serious.
joking right now.
I'm not joking, I'm serious. Look, I'm in love with this guy. I have feelings for him. There's this soft spot that I have for him. I know he's love.
I'm an electrician.
Doesn't matter. Why do you guys act like there's something different about being an electrician? He's a normal man. He's a guy. He's handsome and he's caring.
Who's talking about being handsome here or nice here? Your dad will skin you alive if you ever said this before him.
Well, funny enough, my father likes him.
We're talking about marriage here, babes. What can this guy offer to the daughter of Chief Mbadiwe marriage?
Oh, God.
Please come out of that illusion, please.
It's not an illusion, Nancy. It's reality. It's how, that's what I feel. For goodness sakes, this guy is a human being too.
Human being, my foot. Do not allow your father to hear this from you because he will say he's disappointed in you after being a good and a caring father to you.
I just can't believe that even you, my friend, is saying this. Everyone is acting as if being broke is a crime. Is it his fault that he wasn't born into a rich family? I'm tired. Why is the world so mean to poor people? Eh?
Sorry.
Why are you laughing?
Steve, you're joking with your life. Listen, let me tell you,
that girl's father will not just have you fired. He's going to have you arrested also.
Why? How? Listen, that girl loves me. You don't know what I'm saying. I can see it in her eyes. She loves me. If I begin to date that girl, my life will change. Now imagine this, we've not even started. She's the one that gave me the 50,000 naira I use in clearing your debts.
Okay? Whether she loves you or not, honestly, I don't care. What I'm telling you is that you should leave that girl alone now, guy. Face your work. Eh? That girl is not on the same level. She's not on the same class with you, my guy.
Mba, don't insult me.
She will get size. There are so many fishes in the river. Bend down, select.
My brother, I will not tolerate that insult from you.
Me insulting you?
Yes.
Because I'm telling you the truth?
Because I am an electrician does not make me less of a man. Mba. My money I no get, I still be man. So please, don't insult me. Huh? What sort of friend are you? You should be happy that I'm falling in love with a rich man's daughter. This love might even change my life. You're here telling me she should get signed. I should avoid her. I should face my work. Does falling in love affect my work?
Well, I have told you my mind. Eh? But you should know that you are digging your grave.
You're very stupid.
Yes, you are digging your grave, my friend. Do not say I did not warn you, because when it will happen, I'll just laugh at you.
Now you they dig your own grave. Now you they dig your own. You see why I know they like to tell you something? I said now you they dig your own grave, idiot. Small thing why I tell you now, instead of you to support me, you are here discouraging me. In fact, I regret telling you this good news. Bye-bye.
No, they like.
I regret telling you this.
You know they like good news.
Bye-bye, sir.
Do not say I did not warn you. Do not say I did not warn you, guy. Well, now, she be na me and you did this town. We go see now.
Ella! What are you doing with this story like that?
Father, that's a gun you're having. You're holding a gun. Dad, just bring it out, please.
So this has been going on in my house without my knowledge. You think I will allow you to define my house?
No, Dad, no. Okay, look, we've been together for a while now. He loves me. I love him too. We are dating.
The new love.
Please. Please. No, Dad. No.
You think I will allow you? I won't spare you.
Father, you have a gun.
Now listen. I won't spare you.
No.
I won't spare you.
Father, what have you done? Stay. Father, what have you done? You killed him. You killed my man. Stay. What have you done? Kill me. Don't do anything. Who's that?
I heard you shout now. Oh, calm down.
No, Dad, just stay away. Stay away, please.
You had a nightmare, I guess. Oh, it's a nightmare.
You killed someone. You killed someone special to me. You shot him right before my eyes. I asked you not to, but you're a murderer.
Who else could be close to you other than me, your father? You don't have any man in your life yet. Or have you started seeing someone? Talk to me. I'm asking you.
Dad, I want to go back to sleep.
Go back to sleep. Tomorrow we'll trash it, eh? careful.
Fine, I'll just lock my door. After you.
I have been asking you for the umpteenth time. Who is that young man?
Father, like, it's someone that you know. And it's not been long that we started seeing each other.
Someone that I should know. How?
You know him. It's actually someone that you cherish. So I'm convinced that you're gonna like him.
I hope it's not what I am thinking. Chief Douglas' son, Iwuka.
No. Far from that. Like I said before, Father, you like him. Just relax, okay? You're gonna meet him soon. You like him for sure.
Anyways, I have explicit confidence and trust in you. You have never disappointed me, and I know you will not disappoint me this time around.
I won't, Father. You like him, I promise. Just relax. It's cool. Very cool.
The 1 million naira chief daughter sent to me has finished. I don't even have 100,000 naira which Regina requested from me for her shopping. How do I raise another money now? I think I have to sell my 2 shops since I do not have goods in them again. Yes, that is what I will do. I will call some agents tomorrow to help me get buyers as quickly as possible.
Have you seen the buffoon that calls himself my brother? Somebody have spent countless of millions to transform him into a normal human being.
Father, what did Uncle Godwin do again?
Godwin is so shameless. I got a report this afternoon that he has sold the 3 shops I bought for him. Can you imagine that?
Why?
What else? Other than women, liquor.
Wait, so he sold the shops you bought for him to start up with?
I was even told that he was living with one useless woman because he has been evicted from his former abode.
But he has to go to the rehab. It's your brother. You need to send him there.
Rehabilitation or no rehabilitation, I am done with Godwin. I have no business again with him. Let him just go his way, please.
I'm so sorry. Just relax, okay?
Who be that? Hey, okay, electrician. The only transformer where they give the whole world lights. Okay, electrician, you they smell fresh. And this your perfume where you spray, eh? Hey, to look nice. Be like say today na special day.
You will hype me into trouble. Today is a blessed day. Every day is blessed. I beg, I want to see Chief.
It is, sir. Oh, voilà. Hey, okay, electrician.
fresh like this. They smell nice. Hey! It's a very special deal. Okay, Letitia, you go give me that your perfume. Look at the spray for my body, man. Look at the smell, crackle. Oh.
Okay? What are you saying? Sounds what?
Fine. You look beautiful.
You look nice.
Thank you.
Oh. Dad.
Good day, sir.
Oh, Steve. Sir. You didn't tell me you were coming. Sit down. Yeah. So how are you? Good. Yeah. Ella, did you call the young man you are waiting for to find out if he's still coming?
Dad. He's here. He's here with us.
Who is here? Who?
It's Steve. Steve, of course. He's the one.
Just wait. Is it some sort of joke or prank or what?
No, it's not a joke, sir. The truth is, I genuinely love your daughter, and I want to spend the rest of my life with her.
I love you too, Father. We love each other so much. We want to be together.
It's alright.
Babe, I don't trust this is. It's alright.
Baby, not to worry. Let me go and talk to him, okay?
Please.
I'll be back. Dad? Dad? What are you doing? Father! Father, wait! Dad! Dad! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Check me out! Dad, wait! Father, wait!
Jesus!
Why did you send him away?
Shh. Ogene!
Father, but I love him.
Has he gone?
I love him.
Get inside.
What you're doing is not fair. I don't like it.
Get inside! Ogene!
Sir! Sir! Okay, sir. Sir! Sir!
Any day I see that idiot into this compound again, I will shoot you and distribute your carcass to the bunch of idiot. Yes, sir. Will you get to here? Sorry, sir. Hi, come here. Drop that kid. Drop that kid.
Hey! I don't die.
Hey, sir!
Come on. Stop. Please, don't stop. What the fuck?
Which was on me? What's here? What you? How come you say she like the electrician? When I was at the car, come on, electrician. Hey! This one will be true. Jesus said, okay, I don't go open the gate. I don't go open the gate. Oh, don't kill me. Go send my cops to my village. Jesus. Come on.
You won't believe what happened.
Tell me.
What my eyes saw today. Ella's father almost killed me. That man chased me out of his house with a gun.
You serious?
With a real gun. You needed to see how Ella was begging him to accept me. For where the man chased me out. Like, not even asking me out. He chased me out.
Sorry, excuse me. Excuse me, my
What's
bad.
funny? What's funny?
My bad. What's not funny? No, why shouldn't I laugh? Eh? Did I not warn you? I warned you now, my brother. I warned you, but instead you picked offense with me.
Warner.
Yes, you got mad with me and you said I was wrongly advising you. You called me names. You said I was insulting you. Blah, 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 blah. That was what you said to me.
Is this what you're supposed to say now? I just told you what happened. You're supposed to be a friend. Console me. Tell me less reply. Why are you always on the negative part of everything?
Well, you should be grateful to your God. Yes! You should be thankful to God for at least for saving your life. Now, this man did not just chase you out of his house, but now you've equally lost your job. Yes! Now, how am I going to tell someone out there that a friend of mine lost his job just because of a woman? Does this sink well?
Must you tell anybody? Must we tell anybody? Yalla.
You see? This is all I get for giving you good advice. This is what I get for giving you good advice.
I've been looking for love. I finally find in love. I need no obstacles. This is the choice I've made. Oh, I've been searching for love. I found someone that gladdens my heart.
Auntie Ella.
I need no obstacles.
Auntie Ella. Dinner is served. Chief is waiting at the dining. Please open the door. Auntie Ella.
Mercy, get out! Just shut up and get out!
I've been looking for love. I finally find in love. I need no obstacles. This is the choice I've made.
Where is she?
She did not answer me, sir.
What is wrong with Ella? She has not eaten her food since afternoon. Something must be wrong.
Sir, are you sure all is well with her? You need to find out what is really going on.
It's alright, go. I'll go to her room. You can go.
Okay, sir.
This is not Ella, my daughter. This boy must have done something to her. Fine now.
I've been looking for love. I finally find in love. I need no obstacles. This is the choice I've made. Oh, I've been searching for love. I found someone that gladdens my heart.
Ella, please open door for your dad.
Dad, go! Just let me be, go!
I want us to talk.
There is nothing to talk about, just leave. Leave me in peace.
Ella. Now listen. Open door. I want to talk to you. I have the best of your interests at heart. It's your happiness that I want. Please, open the door, let's talk. I'm your father. Don't lock door against your dad.
Daddy, please, just leave! Go! I don't want to talk to you. There is nothing to talk about. Just go!
I've been looking for love. I finally find in love. I need no.
Can you leave?
This is the choice I've made. Oh, I've been searching for love. I found someone that gladdens my heart. Hey, I didn't know obstacles.
Go!
For the past 2 days now, my daughter has locked herself inside the house. Sorry, who is this young man you're talking about? He's ordinary electrician I employed. I saw the potential in him and I decided to have him as my personal staff. Little did I know that he has his eyes on my daughter. This is ridiculous. But come to think of it, why would your daughter fall for a low life like that? Why?
Listen, are you doubting African science? That boy must have used some form of charms on her. I mean, he must have bewitched her.
Bewitched her? Well, I am not doubting you, Chief, but you need to be very sure if your daughter is in her right senses.
I'll have that boy arrested. I will make his life miserable.
It's okay, it's okay. Chief, if you permit me, I would like to speak to your daughter. You know, 2 witnesses is better than one.
Will she listen to you? That is my worry. But anyway, if you insist, we can proceed. Let's pray we'll have a solution.
Don't worry. She will listen to me. I think I have less on my decks now. We can proceed.
Okay.
Sure we can.
Welcome, sir.
As my daughter opened
No, sir. She has been indoors crying.
I don't know why this girl wants to starve herself to death. What is all this?
Chief, it's okay. Let's go inside.
All right, let's go.
Yeah. Listen. It's not. I don't see your girl getting sick. Is she sick?
Oga's daughter locked herself inside. I don't know what happened.
You sure say this matter no get anything to do with Oga electrician?
Oga electrician? How?
You know say Oga pikin tell Oga say she love Oga electrician. Now God na Oga use pursue electrician come up for this compound. And that day, he come want me say any day where I open this gate for Oga electrician, bah! Go shoot me, carry my cups, send for my village. And I know my village will see my cups. Now bad news be that too.
Where was I that day?
Hey, that day where you go market now, you see you always like go cook and all that. See, I never feel Oga rich as I feel Oga that day. Oga threatened me, say if I open this gate, I don't die. Now my village will not go receive my cups. I don't want to die. So you see that gate, I go mount them. I don't go open for anybody.
Hey, I can't believe nonsense. Oh. Hey, see again, I don't believe you. Yes.
Every time I
Auntie Ella cannot bring herself so low like that. Yes.
Every time I carry better G's, good G's, we go switch your belly. You go tell me say you don't believe me. You don't ever believe me.
They go.
One day you go believe me.
Time
for your matter. I give you better G's.
Ella, open the door. Barisugod is here to see you. Ella,
can you please open? I'm here to see you.
Ella, please open. Trust me, I will not enter with him. He wants to have a chat with you. Listen, are you sure my daughter is still alive?
No, Chief, she's alive.
This is the 4th day. She locked herself in here. No water, no food. I'm no longer comfortable.
Oh, beautiful Ella. Beautiful Ella. Please, can you open the door? Your dad is worried.
Honestly, I'll break this down and damn the consequences.
No, Chief. That will come.
How do I explain this?
No, you know, young ladies are. Don't worry, just calm down. My goodness. Ella, you can't be doing this to us, okay? You can't. Whatever it is to be sorted. Can you please open?
Ella, please, I love you. I love you, please. You are all I have. Please open this door, please. Please.
Ella.
We really tantalize this chicken. Enjoyment is very good. You know what? Go inside and bring more chicken for us. Yes. Because this chicken is not going to be enough for me. Tomorrow I'll give you money to fry more. Go and bring that one inside.
Baby, please, let's finish this one first.
Why?
Wait, babe. Are you not going to eat the insala soup? You know I made it with fresh fish.
You know, I almost forgot to have insala in this house. You know what? Let's hurry up and finish this one so you bring insala, I'll use it to download it.
You like enjoyment, that you, John?
Let's eat already.
Baby, you're going to give me 300,000 tomorrow. I want to use it for something.
You say? What did you say? But I thought I gave you.
Hey! Don't say that thing you want to say. Don't. Were you not there when I used all the money? Were you not there? Don't insult me because of money. Oh. It's not like you pay rent here. I mean, I accommodate you for free. So if I ask you for money, you should even hurry up and give it to me. Don't insult me because of money. Don't try it.
It's okay.
It's not okay. Oh. It's not okay. Out of the millions you realized from the sales of your shop, you could not, from your good heart, say, Regina, take this 500,000 naira. I mean, why are you like that?
Okay, babe. I'm sorry. Okay. I'll give you 500.
Yeah. Because I said 500,000 now. I'll give you 500K. Because I said 500,000. You know I was the one who suggested you sell your 2 shops. I was the one as the brain box behind your life. I'm the one that is giving you good advice. Nice advice that I gave you. I said sell your 2 shops and raise plenty money so you live large, enjoy yourself and eat chicken as you like. You sold the 2 shops and kept the money to yourself. Wait. Godwin.
What is it?
Is this how you're going to be treating me when you finally take over your brother's wealth?
I thought I've already agreed to give you the 500K now. What did you want?
I need more. 500K is not enough. I need to send money to my mother in the village.
Okay, fine. I don't want us to quarrel. Let's just eat. I'll give you 1 million naira.
Now you're talking. Godwin, you don't know how much I love you. I love you. See, you're supposed to be treating me like a queen.
But I'm trying now.
You're not trying anything.
Am I not trying?
I beg, you're not. Sometimes you used to piss me off. Piss me off a lot.
I'm sorry, let's just eat. But see, we need to hurry up so you bring the other chicken.
1 million.
I'll give you now. I'll transfer to your account and finish it.
They won't transfer now before you finish eating self, so you don't forget.
You like money.
Shoot.
Let's sort it so you bring the salad.
Ella, why have you chosen to meddle with the riffraff? It doesn't suit you.
I beg your pardon, please. Is it my Steve that you're calling me riffraff? I don't understand. What manner of disrespect? No, wait, how do you guys see him? No, what eyes do you people look at him with? Steve is a nice man. He's a caring man. He's gentle. He's respectful. How do you look at him?
Ella, you're ready enough to know what social stratification is. That young man doesn't match you. You're not of the same level.
Who thinks about level when they're in love? I mean, who should care about status when you're in love with someone? Love is something that comes from within. Look, who I'm in love with and how I love them has nothing to do with how they look and what they have to offer. This is who I've chosen to be with. This is who I want to live with. So my father should respect that and bless me because it's what I'm going to do. It's an emotional thing. My feelings are involved.
I understand your position, Ella. I do. I really do. But you see, you come from a reputable home. Your father is one of the bourgeois in this town. He's a chief, not just an ordinary chief. Have you thought of what people will say when you meddle with such? I mean, he's a low life. I'm sorry to use the word, but it is what it is. Please, know where you belong.
That is it. You two are not getting it. That is it. I don't care. I don't give an F about what he has to give me or where he's coming from. I don't. I love this man. I want to be with this man. Why is it so hard for you to stick into your skulls? Okay, fine. Let's look at it this way. If Steve is broke, we are not broke. We have enough to set him up. I mean, we have so much money to help him, to make him be the man that we want him to be. Right? That's the connecting point. He doesn't have, but we have. We have more than enough to help him. This is what I want. My father should help if he actually cares about me. It's not difficult. It's not hard.
Ella, there's a clear cut between light and darkness. You are light. You figure out the rest. Don't do this to yourself. You have a family name to protect.
It's done already. It's done.
Yeah, come in.
Auntie Ella, your food.
Come on, Ella. You can eat something.
I'm not hungry, Barrister. If you want to help me, talk to my father. He should let me be with the Steve who I want to be with. I don't want that food. Take it out, mess.
I don't think it's the best of ideas. You can start yourself today.
Come on. Does it really worth this?
She's in her room and you are here. And I warned you to always be with her. Look, listen, should anything happen to her, I will hold you responsible.
Father, why? Why would you hold her responsible for something that you brought upon yourself? You asked the maid to spy on me? You asked Mercy to monitor me, Father? What degree of pettiness?
My daughter...
You seized Steve's phone. And you had him locked up in a police cell. You didn't know I was going to find out. I know. And Father, as if that was not enough, you asked your gate man to lock the gates on me. Father, look. If that man spent another night in that police station, I swear to God, I swear by the gods, I swear to whatever thing that you believe in, I will end it.